Here's another great example of where our adjustable AF clamps were used. This is were used to support the electronic media mesh framework at Allegiant Stadium in Las Vegas, Nevada. There were over 4,000 AF clamps used, and the plans called out originally for the connection of the frame to be deferred, and so the contractor reached out to the local distributor for technical support. By providing us with the column information and the expected load demands, we were able to work with the contractor to provide a design that met the requirements for that region. Being Las Vegas, the AF clamp were selected to satisfy the authority having jurisdiction. They have the requirement that proprietary connectors need to have an ICCES report or any third-party evaluation report. So that was in Clark County. And this is the framework. As you can see, each of these little parts there are the brackets that you're seeing in the middle there. Those brackets were prefabricated off-site, brought to the field, and just simply connected onto the main framing.